Here we are going to look at a few tips, tricks and shortcuts that you could use in Excel. First, let us begin with the number format. Let's say we want to convert this into a million format. When I say million format, it's like 1.0 million rather than having too many zeros. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this and paste it over here and use the shortcut Ctrl+1 and you will go to the number formatting. In this example we are going to look at the custom format, and let's say this is going to be a currency value. I'm going to add a dollar symbol, I'm going to add a hash sign and two commas and a dot and a zero. So now I'm going to also add a text, a character to say this is 1 million. So to make it easier to understand, I'm just making it equal to function here. So this is 1 million, and if I change this 1 million to, let's say, 1.5 million, it changes. And let's say I'm making out to 1.59, and you will also see the round out figure. You could increase your decimals to look at it. So you could format your numbers to look in the currency format, and it's in the shortest way. Next, we are going to look at the interesting part of converting a text into a symbol or, let's say, an icon. We have the alphabets A to Z in the capital letters as well as in the small letters. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that and paste it to the next cell, and I'm going to convert this into a text format. I'm going to change the text face. So for this example, I'm opening up the cell editor and I'm going to go to Wingdings, or let's say Webdings. I'm going to look at Webdings. Now you have it in different format. I can still do that. Probably I'll look for Wingdings. So now it's easy for us to come up with an arrow key or any other icon that we wanted to use. And the another interesting thing is the invisible cell. So if you look at the cell here, it has a text, but you are not able to see it. It is not that the text color or the cell color is in green. Let's make it to, let's say, a red color. Even then you will not be able to see this. So I can tell you how this is being done. Let's type Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. So now I want this to be there on the cell, but it has to be in an invisible mode. I'm gonna go to the format cells, go to the first tab which is number. I'm gonna look at the custom, remove this general. I'm gonna add 3 semicolons. The moment I hit the enter button, it's gone. So it's something that you did not add any color, as in you didn't add any white color to the font or to the cell. And even when someone tries to, let's say, add color, a red color, no, it doesn't show up. So it's invisible. You could use it in instances where you want to write a formula but you don't want others to look at it. And the next thing what we are going to look at is how to lock your Excel spreadsheet from people adding new rows and columns. To do this, what we are going to do is we are going to go to the last column and the last row. So press the Control and the down key to go to the last row, and Control and the right key to go to the last column. I'm going to add just a dot and I'm going to move to the other cell. So let me try adding a column or a row. It would definitely not allow me to add any column or a row. So you kind of typically locked your Excel spreadsheet without locking it actually. So no one will be able to guess that there is a dot towards your cell end, as in the end of column and the rows. The moment you delete it, and you could still do that, you can insert a row or insert a column. Alright, so let's move on to the other part, the shortcuts. These are the shortcuts that you could make use of it to make your work a little easier. I'm not going to go through all the shortcuts, but I'm leaving it there for you to read it. And in case you have any questions, please feel free to drop the note on the comment section. I'll help you on that.